Okay guys, we are here stacking in the house.
English, one pak manusbid.
No problem. I am the expert of English word.
Dere kaya.
Okay. Guys, hello.
Hi.
I hope that you are in a good way to your home. You are eating some foods that you eat. You are in a good health, especially in your brain.
Brain.
Okay guys, I am asking to my child to
Wow.
spell a word, very easy word. It's only 5 liter to spell. That's why I know that she can do it. She can spell it because it is very easy to spell the word from me.
What?
Did you understand you?
No.
Okay, spell the word horse.
What?
Spell the word horse.
Horse.
Faster.
No. Horse.
Faster.
No. Horse.
Faster.
Horse.
Faster.
No.
Faster.
No.
You can do it.
You do it.
You can do it.
You do
It's
it.
very easy.
You do it.
Do it now.
No, you're gonna prank me
It's
again.
very easy. No.
Prank mo na naman
Say
ako.
it fast.
I know what eh.
Say it fast. Spell the word horse in faster speaking.
Horse.
Faster.
Horse.
Faster.
Horse.
Faster.
Horse.
Faster.
Natawa ka na.
No. I'm not laughing. Sige, go.
Horse.
Go.
Horse.
Go.
Horse.
Faster. You can't do it. I can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, tigilig, 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 tigilig.